So I purchased this Fortnite party decoration kit from Amazon. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so in this kit we have 16 balloons. It looks like they do have some different prints on them. A sticker variety pack, 24 cupcake toppers, a happy birthday sign, and it does come with the ribbon and the needle to set it up, a large cake topper, and then you also get these 3 large helium balloons, which obviously you would need to fill up by yourself, but it does come with the little stickers and then the ribbon to attach. Here's what the balloons look like blown up. The sticker pack, the cupcake toppers, and the cake topper. Fortnite balloon and happy birthday sign. Overall, I would say that this is a great deal if you're looking for some Fortnite decorations for your next upcoming birthday party. Enjoy.